Yes, favorite place in the world, right here. Good morning from San Diego, Ocean Beach. It is 1:13 p.m. And we have just rented some surfboards. Doug here is going to show me how to surf, and hopefully I don't look like an idiot. So
it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Waves are small today, but that's a good start. I'm ready to get out there.
Same. All right, peace. This is the current setup. Got my wetsuit hat on, and we're just chilling in the parking lot. Some food, getting ready. Doug just explained to me what the heck I'm supposed to do, and then we'll see if I can actually do it. So hopefully we'll be able to figure out a way to see you out there.
Said it.
We just had snacks.
Said it. Just got done. First surf sesh. Waves were tiny and few and far between, but it was still fun. Then it freaking went and got cloudy and freaking cold and not cool. So we're heading back to the Airbnb. Get cleaned up, and I think we're gonna head downtown and get ready to come back and shred tomorrow morning. How was your first surfing experience, David?
Interesting. I stood up for approximately a second and a half, so like a full one Mississippi fall. So I don't think you could consider that standing up, but I kneed all the way in twice. Then also drank about 3 gallons of salt water, so it was phenomenal. So refreshing and tasty. Flavorful. Definitely want to do it again. I'm super excited to go again and perfect this and become a world champion. So if you could support me on my journey to the top, I would appreciate that.
Nice.
Doug?